You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. U.S. equity indexes opened with little movement as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq remained nearly flat, reflecting investor caution amid ongoing uncertainty in U.S. trade policy. Yields on 10-year Treasuries rose for a fifth straight session, while the dollar extended its rebound from recent lows. Market focus is now on the upcoming release of Federal Reserve meeting minutes and a Treasury auction of 10-year notes. Traders continue to weigh the odds of a rate cut in September, despite rising inflation and a resilient labor market that may delay monetary easing. Investor interest in gold surged again in the first half of 2025, with physically backed ETFs recording their largest inflow since 2020, nearly 400 metric tons. This renewed demand has been driven by escalating geopolitical and trade tensions, especially due to growing tariff pressure from the U.S. Despite a slowdown in buying during May and June, Asia-based funds captured a record share of global flows. Total gold ETF holdings rose to their highest since August 2022, and spot prices jumped 26% year-to-date, hitting $3,500 per ounce in April. Oil prices climbed to two-week highs, driven by a downward revision in U.S. production forecasts and renewed unrest in the Red Sea. Attacks on cargo vessels off Yemen's coast have disrupted one of the world's critical shipping lanes, pushing up transport costs. The rally was further supported by falling U.S. crude inventories and rising gasoline and diesel prices. While OPEC Plus plans to boost output in August, technical buying and short covering have added to upward pressure on Brent and WTI benchmarks. The U.S. dollar strengthened for a third consecutive day amid expectations of further trade measures from the White House. Donald Trump confirmed plans to impose 25% tariffs on goods from Japan and other nations starting August 1, along with levies on copper, semiconductors, and pharmaceuticals. Despite his tough rhetoric, he left room for extensions if trade talks progress. Political uncertainty continues to fuel FX market volatility. The dollar is climbing alongside yields, while the yen weakens and the euro and pound remain stable. Investors are watching closely for the next moves from Washington and possible reactions from its trading partners. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.